you ready for the most groundbreaking business launch of 2023? The clock is ticking, and the opportunity of a lifetime is within your grasp. Introducing the Yellow Brick Formula 5-day live masterclass, brought to you by none other than the legendary marketer Sean Donahoe. A titan in the industry, Sean has a proven track record of success, boasting multi-million-dollar ventures that have revolutionized the way we think about affiliate marketing. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the testimonials from those who have walked the path of success before you. Sarah, a seasoned affiliate marketer, enthuses, "Sean's strategies have transformed my business. His insights are invaluable." Or consider the words of John, a relative newcomer to the field. "I've seen a dramatic increase in my revenue since implementing Sean's methods. He's a game changer." Now Sean is coming out of retirement to share his wealth of knowledge in this groundbreaking masterclass. This is your chance to learn from the best in the business, in a live, interactive setting. The Yellow Brick Formula 5-day live. Masterclass isn't just a course, it's a journey to success. It's a golden ticket to a world of opportunities, and the first step towards redefining your future. Securing your spot is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, click on the link provided below. It will lead you to our sign-up page. Second, fill in your details. Rest assured, your information is secure with us. Third, click submit and await the confirmation email. That's it. 3 simple steps to sign up for the masterclass that is set to change the face of affiliate marketing in 2023. Don't let this train leave the station without you. The Yellow Brick Formula 5-day live masterclass is your ticket to success. Secure your spot today and prepare to ride the wave of the most groundbreaking business launch of the year. This is your moment. Seize it.